Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Almost 2 years ago, I found that I was struggling to grasp a lot of the concepts in my BC Calculus class, and that I would need outside help to help bring up my grade and understanding of the course. And so, I asked a friend and he recommended Digvijay. So I reached out to see if it was a good fit, and he exceeded my expectations right from the start. He has a way of breaking concepts down into digestible pieces of information that help build my understanding of the subject matter. And while he clearly has mastered the information, he can also adjust to your level of understanding for a wide range of math subjects. My final grade in BC Calculus ended up being an A, and for this year he has helped me maintain strong grades in linear algebra. Digvijay is reliable but also flexible when it comes to scheduling sessions around extracurriculars and other obligations. I even used his SAT prep services, which helped me achieve a perfect score on the math section both times I took the SATs, and improved my overall score from a 1210 to a 1540. I cannot recommend him highly enough.
Hello students, since you know there's less time for practice for March SAT, we at Unacademy have prepared a fast track batch for you guys so that you can learn better and faster for your SAT. We'll be sharing some tips and tricks for you to score 1400 plus in your SAT. Stay tuned for more detail. Thank you.
Let's crack it.